Good day. Now I will be discussing torsion. So, torsion is in the field of solid mechanics. Torsion is the twisting of an object due to an applied torque. So when twisting an object, it is what we call torsion, and the force we put into it is what we call the torque. Okay, so torsion is expressed in either the Pascal PA and is a unit for a newtons per square meter or in pounds per square inch or the PSI, while the torque is expressed in newton meters or foot-pound force. Okay, we have here an object being twisted. So for the object to be twisted, we will be exerting a force or what we call the torque. So kanin siya diri, this is our twisted object. Then for the object to be twisted, need na to mag-apply of force or what we call the torque force. And also for the object to be fully twisted, so it needs a force acting the other way around or what we call the resisting force. So kung ang torque force nato is same way, dili siya mag-twist kay since ang both ends is mag-twist siya on the same way. So there's no twisting. Kuan ra matawag siya rotation, not twisting. It's just rotation. Pero og natay resisting force, the torque resisting force, diha makita nato nga mag-twist ang body sa object, which we can call the torsion. So kung diri is pa up, then ang pikas na side is pa down, then inana yung ma-form nga dagan sa body sa object mo bitog maana siya. Okay, so we have here a sample problem for torsion. So the solid compound shaft made of 3 different materials carries the 2 torques shown. A. Calculate the maximum shear stress in each material. Then B. Find the angle of rotation of the free end of the shaft. The shear moduli are 20 GPa for aluminum, 83 GPa for steel, and 35 GPa for bronze. So this will be the formula to be used since we are given a solid shaft materials. So for the angle of twist, theta is equal to torque times the length over J times G. Then for the maximum shear stress, tau is equal to 16 times the torque over pi d cubed. Then for the polar moment of inertia, pi over 32 d raised to the power of 4. So we are given here a 100 mm diameter for the aluminum and 75 mm diameter for the steel and bronze. So moving on to the solution. So for the solutions, first is we have to get the value of J or our polar moment of inertia. So since we will be using the formula of the angle of twist, we will be needing the value in each material. So optional ra ni siya since katong going back here sa ato ang angle of twist nga formula, which is theta is equal to tau times the length over J or the polar moment of inertia times G. So kaning J diri pwede ra ni siya optional na siya nga imo siyang i-input manually or pwede ka mag-use sa formula sa J, which is pi over 32 diameter times raised to the power of 4. Mura advantage pa na niya is murag ma-easy na lang siya input sa calculator. So mas kung imong kuha ng J using their formula, kuan jud siya makatake jud siya time, pero if gusto ka nga mapadali, pwede na pud nimo siya i-input manually. So dire along the process. Let's see. So here sa atong gamitan og J since we are practicing using the formulas. So first is we will be getting the value of J aluminum or our polar moment of inertia for the aluminum. So pi over 32 times, since given here is sa diameter sa aluminum is millimeters, and we are going to use the meter unit. So we will be using 0.100 raised to the power of 4. Okay, so input nato here pi over 32 times 0.100 raised to the power of 4 is equal to, okay, so we are getting the 9.817 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 meter unit raised to the power of 4. The next, since our steel and bronze materials has the same values of diameters and torque value, pwede na to siya equal na lang siya since same naman sila value duha. Okay, so for the polar moment of inertia for the bronze and steel, since equal sila, so pi over 32 times ilahang given diameter nga 75 mm, and we will be using the meter unit, so 0.075 raised to the power of 4. Okay, so pi over 32 times 0.075 raised to the power of 4 is equal to, okay, so we are getting the value of 3.106 times 10 raised to the power of negative 6 meter unit raised to the power of 4. Okay, so moving on sa shear stresses of each material. So first is we will be getting the shear stress or the maximum shear stress for the aluminum. So we will be using the formula of tau is equal to 16 torque over pi diameter cube. Okay, so for the aluminum, 16, and our torque here is 5.5. If you are confused or wondering where did we get the 5.5, so mao ni siya guys. Diri na to magkuha ta og torque, since naatay torque going up nga 1.5 sa bronze, then torque nga going up sa 4.4 kNm sa steel, which is a total of 5,500 Newton, or in kilonewton is 5.5. So i-add nato na siya ang 4 kN plus 1.5 kN is equal to 5.5. So di ba ganiha guys, ang inko ganiha nga. For the object to twist, kung natay i-apply nga torque force, para mo twist siya, need ta og resisting force. So here, magbutang ta resisting force diri nga side sa plate, which is equal to 5.5 kilonewton. So mao nang atong torque here sa aluminum is 5.5 kilonewton times 10 to the power of 3. Nga nag-times nato siya. Kaya ang atong kilonewton, since we are using the megapascal, then ang megapascal is equal to Newton over mm squared. So kN man ni siya, i-times nato siya to 10.3 or times 1,000 para mahimo siya Newton. So 16, 5.5 times 10.3 pwede siya 1,000 over pi, and diameter sa atong aluminum is 100 mm. Gamitan po na siya kuan meter, so 0.100 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 16 times 5.5 times 10 over pi 0.100 times 3 is equal to 28.0 times 10 raised to the power of 6 Pascal, or is equivalent to 28.0 megapascal. So next is kuha na to ang maximum shear stress sa bronze and steel. So, as going back dito sa pagkuha sa J, di ba? Same ra ang value sa bronze ug sa steel. So, in that situation, equal ra siya, guys. So, pati diri sa shear stress, equal ra gyapon siya since same sila way sa pagtuyok sa ilang torque force, ilang diameter same. Okay, so for the 16 times ang torque sa bronze, which is 1.5 times 10 raised to the power of 3 over pi times ang diameter sa steel sa bronze, which is 75 mm. Maggamit ako meter, so 0.0753, and we will getting the value of 16 times 1.5 times 10 3 over pi times 0.075 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 18.11 times 10 to the power of 6 Pascal, or is equal to 18.11 megapascal. Okay, so next is we will be getting the value of angle of rotation in each materials. So first is we will be using the formula of the angle of rotation, which is theta is equal to TL over GJ, but here we will be getting the summation of all the materials. So first is the angle of rotation for the bronze. So we have here the angle of the torque of 1.5 Newton. So kanang 1.5 kN, gitimes na nato siya into 1,000 to make it into Newton. So 1.5 times the length, which is 1.5, over our polar moment of inertia. As we can see here, it's 3.106, then times the GPA of 35 plus the values of our steel, which is the torque of 1.5 times its length of 2 meters over the given value of kanina kwantong value sa polar moment of inertia, which is 3.106 times its given GPA, which is 83. Then add the angle of rotation sa aluminum, which is we have here the torque force of 5.5 times 1,000 is 5,500 Newton times its length of 3 meters over the ang atong nakuha nga value nga sa J, which is 9.817 times its GPA of 28. Then i-times ito siya into 1 over atong G nga 10 to the power of 9. Then atong J nga, here natay J diri nga times, murag ato siyang constant value sa atong polar moment of inertia sa G aluminum and the J of bronze and steel, which is 10 raised to the power of -6. Then we are multiplying this into 180 over pi in order for us to convert the value into degree unit. Mo nga to siyang times into 180 over pi. And for the value is 1.5 times 1.5 over 3.106 times 35 plus 1.5 times 2 over 3.106 times 83 plus 5,500 times 3 over 9.817 times 28 times 1 over 10 raised to the power of negative 6 times 10 raised to the power of 9 times 180 over pi. Okay, so we have here the value of 5.29 degree. Okay, so for the maximum shear stresses for the aluminum is 28 megapascal, and for the bronze and steel 18.11 megapascal, and for the angle of rotation or the summation of the angle of rotation sa tanan nga materials is 5.29 degree. So that's all for the torsion, and thank you for listening.